This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Solana. Could SOL hit $1,000? Solana SOL is one of the superstar cryptocurrency performers of 2021. Its price has gone up over 10,000% in the past year, massively outperforming more established cryptos like Ethereum, ETH, and Bitcoin BTC. After Solana's SOL's mind-blowing performance in 2021, the asset gained major attention from crypto investors. 2021 sent some big names packing and brought previously obscured cryptos into the spotlight. One of these is Solana, a proof-of-history blockchain that is currently the world's 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. But will Solana's bullish trend continue? Before we dive deeper if SOL could hit $1,000, like this video, smash that subscribe button, and click that notification bell right now, because if you don't, you'll not be able to invest in Solana. You don't want that to happen, right? So just keep on watching. Going back, Solana has been a top performer in 2021, rising through the ranks of altcoins to become the 4th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world. Investors should remember that Solana is a relative newcomer, however, and the crypto's extreme volatility in 2021 suggests that it is still a high-risk speculative investment at this point. So what exactly is Solana SOL? Solana is a highly functional open-source project that specializes in the blockchain technology to provide decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, where the idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. The Solana protocol is conveniently designed to create a decentralized application (DApp). It aims to improve measurement by introducing proof-of-history (POH) consensus in conjunction with a basic proof-of-stake consensus of blockchain. Due to the innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana enjoys interest from short-term traders and institutional traders. A significant focus of the Solana Foundation is the large-scale access to decentralized funding. Well, Solana is an exciting blockchain project that has high scaling abilities, fast transactions, and low fees. If it manages to attract more developers and gain adoption, it will likely surge in price. But can Solana reach $1,000? Yes, Solana can reach $1,000 because of its superior technology, institutional interest, growing ecosystem of applications, and strategic partnerships. The market capitalization of a theoretical $1,000 Solana would reach $273 billion, which would make it the 3rd most valuable cryptocurrency. Solana price has certainly been a master among rivals for the majority of 2021 with incredible gains. Moreover, it has maintained solid uptrend momentum throughout the year. The DeFi token confirmed bull ride vibes a couple of days before manifesting an ignition of potential SOL reason. The Solana crypto prices have depreciated owing to general mid-term trends based on historical data and technical analysis. However, going by the movement, it can be viewed that in the middle of 2020, Solana's price was much higher after July 2020. At that time, the SOL coin price was trading above $1, and then it continued the upside rally till August 2020, when it has marked a new high of $4 price mark. After that, the price of SOL to USD recorded a flattish trend till the beginning of this year. The SOL price smashed an ATH of $215 on September 9th, surging over 500% since August. Compelling interest in the DeFi and NFT marketplace shifted traders' transition to Solana. Major institutional players in the space further invested in the ecosystem due to its solid potential to outperform Ethereum. The SOL price stands around $32 with a market cap of $8,736,190,285 and a current trading volume of $489,191,631. The price forecasts of various cryptocurrency experts do not deter Solana from outperforming the rivals by any means. The Solana community has set higher benchmark for its prices, notwithstanding. Solana shall surpass the expectations of all cryptocurrency investors who have found this platform extremely interactive and uncomplicated. According to the recent news updates, another important launch of Sol's exchange is set to unveil soon in the market, which multitudes of exchanges should back with a proof of stake feature. Are you wondering what is Solana's price prediction in 2021? Solana's SOL price may possibly hit $300 by the end of the year if a bullish trend were to resurface. Alternatively, if the attention it has grabbed turns out not to be enough and its holders get affected by FOMO, SOL owners might sell off their remaining coins to try and get some profit, plummeting the price of this cryptocurrency into the ground. However, unlike the usual pump and dump altcoins, Solana has not only the hype but also a genuine interest in its functionality to back it up. If crypto picks up momentum and the cryptocurrency market turns overwhelmingly green again, Solana will benefit from it greatly. However, it is not wise to rely on luck and the unreliable nature of the crypto market when making investment decisions. The SOL currency might stay in the $220 to $240 range in December 2021. Solana price prediction for 2022. At present, the stumbling block against Solana is the grounded blockchains like Ethereum and Cardano are updating their organization to beat the scalability problems, including long transaction times and high charges. Nonetheless, the various headways of Solana could likewise make it more grounded against its rivals, including broadly anticipated upgrades that permit further developed cross-chain similarity among Solana and other SOL tokens. With the assistance of this redesign, a turnover in price is likewise anticipated. By 2022, the SOL price will be around $500 to $750. On the downside, due to external factors or inconsistency in the platform, the altcoin price may hit the potential low level of $22.19. However, if the bears rule the market, SOL price would be trading at an average price of $40. Solana price prediction 2023. Solana has established a fast, reliable network and works with the user experience of the product. These features can help the SOL and USD gain much higher prices, say $67 on the market price chart. If the drive for functional crypto continues into 2023, the price may even see a paradigm rush for investment. Solana price prediction 2024. As per the latest upgrades, developments, SOL price prediction, and new project forecasts of the platform, SOL investors could expect many partnerships and integrations around 2024. Moreover, this might boost the price of SOL in the crypto market, and it will be the best investment as the price can spike and reach around $900. Solana price prediction 2025. With any changes in government policies and regulations, Solana may too have its share of hazy days. Solana brand should sail calmly at $110 or max bow down to $95 level prices, making it not plummet but play consistently. It would not be an exaggeration to find that SOL price will scale a peak of $120 someday, though the same can't be called a very overstated and buoyant reach. Solana has huge growth expected in the upcoming years. The price horizon is pretty bright for Solana. Well, is Solana, SOL, a good investment? Solana has indeed proven to be an exceptionally good investment so far, with the price expected to increase further in the long run. According to experts, the value of Solana looks bright, and Solana might prove to be a wise investment. Put simply, Solana is an investment with lots of potential rewards. It's something you should do some research on before you consider adding SOL to your portfolio. SOL has a bright future ahead of it in 2021, with the ongoing developments happening within the SOL ecosystem. With continuous improvements in the Solana network, we can say that 2021 is a good year for SOL. For this reason, the bullish price prediction of Solana in 2021 is $474. On the other hand, the bearish SOL price prediction for 2021 is at $58.92. Furthermore, with the advancements and upgrades on the SOL ecosystem, the performance of SOL would rise, reaching $334 very soon. Solana, SOL, is one of the active cryptocurrencies that continue to maintain its bullish state. Eventually, if this bullish trend continues, then Solana, SOL, will hit $1,000 soon. Solana is not exactly a new cryptocurrency, but it has only gained traction and widespread popularity in the last few months. Its astronomical rise upwards has attracted the attention of many investors, helping them to discover the project's high usability and incredible functionality. With so many people jumping in on the Solana hype, many are left wondering whether the coin is a good long-term investment or if they should dump whatever coins they have bought before it plunges deeper than it has already. Do you think Solana will continue to outperform its competitors? Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section below.
If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.